Hello everyone, happy new year to you all. Welcome back to the channel. I know you'll be thinking, what is she pouring and what is she cooking? So it is the first day in the year 2022 and I want to prepare our new year dish, and I want to carry you people along to show you what we prepared for our new year. Please, if you have not subscribed, consider to join our YouTube channel. Click the bell notification to always notify you. First thing, I want to bake my cake. I added in egg first, added sugar and salt together, and I will beat everything together until they become creamy. As you can see, the butter is already cream. I added in my melted butter and I also combined everything together. I will add in my vanilla butter and vanilla extract 1 teaspoon, and I will mix everything together. So I will add in my baking powder, vanilla extract, and I will start adding in my flour. This is all-purpose flour and I'm making use of 2 cups equivalent of 500 grams. I will mix it with my mixer and add in my milk. Be sure to check the description box because I will write the measurements of everything I am using to bake this cake. Volume. So here is my baking pan. I greased it with flour and I added some baking sheets to help the cake not to stick in the pan when it is done. I'm going to bake on a high heat for 45 minutes and that is it will be done by then. So keep on watching, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please guys consider subscribing to our channel. Click the bell notification to always notify you when we post any new video. So here you can see now the cake is done and this is how it looks like. Honestly, it was tasting so delicious and so good. This is like very yummy. Volume of that thing. So this is how it looks like. Honestly, the cake is hot, so yummy and so delicious. Honestly, you can try this at home and tell me how you felt. It's so delicious and it's so yummy. So the next thing I'm going to show you now is how I prepared the dish that is involved. So I added oil in my pan. This is the oil I removed from my stew after frying it. I added a generous amount of oil because I'm preparing beans. I added in my onions and I will fry everything together until it becomes tender. You can use red oil in place of this oil. I'm using this oil because it's almost like red oil and it tastes very good. So when my onions become tender, I added also my pepper mixture and fry everything together, and I allowed it to cook for some minutes. So at this point, I added in my pepper, added in my crayfish. I also added in my seasonings and combine everything together. I also added in some salt to taste, and I gave everything a very good mix. Now added in my parsley flakes and added in my pomo. I cut this pomo in a smaller sizes. So at this point, I gave everything a very good mix and allowed it to cook for some seconds before transferring it to my pot where the beans is. The beans, I cooked the beans until the water dried up. So at this point, I only need to pour in this sauce into it and combine everything very well together. So this is how I serve the dish. It was so delicious and it tastes very good. You can see it with fried plantain and some fried mackerel fish. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.